Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. It's us, Freddy and Leonie, and this time super special ang trip namin because we're celebrating our 10th wedding anniversary here in Thailand. For the next 8 days, samahan niyo kami as we explore vibrant streets of Bangkok, the cultural charm of Chiang Mai, and the peaceful beauty of Mae Kampong. And we will be trying local food, visiting places, and of course, making unforgettable memories together. Mali-mali pa nga. Sa Japan kami pumila. Well, next time na lang yan. Ayun, medyo nawa kami. Kaya una na mong nalinyahan kapadong sa Japan. So, here it is. Nakita na na pong linya sa Don Muang. Mga ilang oras pa naman bago ang aming flight. But we need to go now to the boarding gate. So, mas mabuti na yung mas maaga. Pupunta ako Thailand with my afam. Hi, afam. Bago ako bumili. Yes, and here we are. Boarding na me. And in less than 4 hours, maabot na mi sa Bangkok, Thailand. And that's it. After less than 4 hours, naano na sa Bangkok, Thailand. So, literally, mata ko sa Thailand. Welcome and sawadee. Tingin ka. Daghan ko. Apa dia? Nakita ka.
Ay, oo. Pareho daw 10. Pero ang naa sa suba.
The cleaning robot. Yan. Labas kami.
Okay lang, Sin. Ay, nalito kung pares.
Hi, Afam. Be, bura ka og kuan. Sa construction. How are you, Apam? Mura ra lagi kag naa sa first meal in Thailand.
Ano yun po? Seafood? Ano kami? Hinag na seafood.
Lang. Tingnan na lang daan kung maad lang.
Ano? Ngayon mo siya kutumaya. May mga lain. Yan, giluto.
Giluto lang siya nga bro. Kanaan
Pilit.
option kung dili mag rice na plain. Hello. May kasama na naman ako.
It's a Combat 6 and we're now walking here on the roadside going to Lumpini Park. So this is really the wrapper of Bangkok and also here side by side front and back. So back here. So we have another one.
It's like a crow paradise. Huh? There.
Crow, Uwak in Kaya.
Parang Kuwa Conservatory ang lugar na to.
How do you defend the lady?
I don't know. Yeah,
So
I can hear them.
there.
Daw pangita sa monitor lizard. Halos amo nang madamagan siya. Tara oh. Naara yun siya dira. Peacefully sleeping.
Oh, it's windy.
Dako gid kay siya. Wala naman siya ako ng mga pigeons. Uy, kami dito sa ilas ba? Wala kahit buang tiyan. Lalay. Mag-feed man siya. Mag-feed man siya, be. Manang naghan.
Crows everywhere. Where? Crows here and everywhere. Okay, we're right here in Lumpini Park here in Bangkok. So here's the monitor lizard. It's a big one. Swimming twice here. Other than the one that is on standby there, as you can see, that one, Oh, that one. But this one is moving.
It's coming towards us.
Yeah, it's really a true lizard here. Like that. So can you see it? It's really big. Oh, it's going here.
Nagpakaon maguto siya o mauminging duol siya.
Where?
Kana siya dira.
Oh,
Labing kat.
it's like a snake.
Nagpakaon manggod
stung,
siya.
But it's like a crocodile. Oh. Okay, this is the third one we've seen from under the water and resting on the side. Nandito siya sa daan. So, it's walking really along the road. Another monitor lizard.
Oh, look at that. Wait.
Okay.
Ah,
So, you reverse the video
dili ma-reverse.
with us. So this is a good place. It's nature. Yeah. Commendable. You can walk, you can exercise, and others. And then, other than that, are you having a video? Okay. As I've said, there are a lot of aviary here, different kinds. We have different colored pigeons, and we also have ravens, as they say here. And a lot of fishes. Look at that one. That one is so big. Diba?
Amoy lang sa.
Oh, here one, here. So the birds here are used to the people. They will not fly even if you are close to them. They won't even sit beside you if you will sit on the benches here. And it's nice we are here now because it's almost.
This time, friends, people are at pause because of that singing. We don't know if it's religious or their national anthem. So it's 6 here.
Done.
Okay.
Run.
Okay.